Hello everybody, my name is Heather. Thank you for being here. Today we are outside on the property and we are burning up some old brush and trees, and I have my electric chainsaw and I'm cutting up some wood for the burn pile, and then we will be stacking some firewood in the outdoor area as well as inside the garage. So let's get going. So we're back again today, working in the property, trying to make it all nice and clear so that I can use the riding lawnmower, which would be lovely, and keep it all nice and park-like. So we're going to do burn pile here, and Miss Mishka is here to help. It's very cold, so this fire actually sounds kind of nice because it's been like 38 degrees this morning. So basically up in our area we have what are called burn days at certain elevations in our county, and they allow you to burn up your dry brush and trees and branches so that you keep your property fire safe, because we have extremely dry, hot summers here, and you will want to have your house cleared with a 100-foot or more perimeter, just in case the fire rips through, to give yourself any kind of preventative measure that's possible. For some reason, this fire was giving me heck trying to start it, so I was using the trusty old DeWalt cordless blower. What do you guys use when you start your brush fires? Calling all females out there, do not be afraid to try something new and challenge yourself. And that's what I did when I picked up this electric chainsaw by Greenworks with a rechargeable battery. I definitely love to do this type of quote-unquote workout because it tricks your body and you will burn a lot of calories. I like to cut up some of these bigger trees into smaller, more manageable portions and sizes. I actually find burning and cutting and stacking firewood very relaxing. I don't know about you, but it's very satisfying. Today I'm on my trusty Cub Cadet mower with our smaller Craftsman little trailer. Listening to music is one of my favorite things, and then I just have to start dancing sometimes because my feet just want to move. I hope I've helped to motivate you to get up and maybe get some of your chores done that maybe you've been putting off for a while. If you actually need real tree service and trees cut down, give Lovely Trees a call at 559-760-7548. None of these chores are fun, so to speak, or easy at all, but I've trained my brain to have a positive outlook, and my body needs the exercise, so it has to get done. So I just kind of look forward to having it done. Let me know in the comments if you liked this video and if it was motivating, with a thumbs up. I'm so glad you're here, and thank you for watching. Only you can prevent forest fires.